Welcome to Chrissy's Cancer-Free Life. 3.5 years ago, I was diagnosed with HER2 positive breast cancer. Today, I'm cancer-free. I made lifestyle and behavior changes to get here, and I plan to stay here. I transformed many of my favorite recipes to fit my cancer-free lifestyle, which means it's also a sugar-free lifestyle. I'm going to show you how I make California rolls. You'll need a sheet of nori, a bamboo rolling mat, a damp tea towel, Japanese sticky rice. I made it sticky with rice vinegar, salt, and instead of sugar, I used monk fruit. English cucumber, cut into strips. They don't have large seeds like the other ones. Blanched asparagus, blanched carrots. Here's some tuna salad with green onion. If you don't want the carbs, rice cauliflower is a great substitute for rice. Avocado. They are nutrient rich and add a nice creamy texture. Add a little bit of kick with wasabi. Now we are ready to roll. Place your nori on one half of the tea towel and cover it up with the other half. Press your hands on the damp towel to moisten it, making it easier to roll up. Let's make one. For this first one, I'm going to use the sticky rice for the base. And it's a little bit sweet because of the monk fruit, and it also has a little bit of salt in it, so it's a little bit salty, and it's just great. Spread it to the edges, except at the front end. You want to leave about 1 inch to be able to seal the end of the roll. Let's add some wasabi. Just paint a line of it right down the center of your roll, so that with every bite, you get a nice little kick of wasabi. Now we're ready to load it up. Let's get some cucumber on here. All right, maybe a nice asparagus spear. Remember, the asparagus and the carrots have been blanched, so they're not really hard. They're a little bit soft, so that's nice. When you do the asparagus, get it out at the tip there. Let's add a little bit of avocado here. Okay, now we're ready to roll it up. Take the end and get a nice little tuck. Being gentle that you don't tear the seaweed sheet, and roll it up and just hold it tight there for just a second. Get it, this rice sure is sticky. It's everywhere. And then, there you go. And there's one California roll, look at that. So we'll set that aside and come back to that. Okay, so I'm just gonna place that right here, and let's make another one with a different filling. We are going to use a different base for this one. This is the riced cauliflower. I just added a little bit of, actually, cream cheese to make it nice and sticky, like sticky rice. Oops, getting it over the edges, that's okay. Just clean it up before you roll it up. Okay, so now we have our base, and our base is the riced cauliflower. And I'm going to add a little line of that wasabi. Then we're going to add a little bit of tuna. Okay. And I think it needs a little bit of crunch. A little cucumber on there. And we have to add some healthy, organic avocado. Okay, we're ready to roll this one up. Okay. There we go. Tuck and roll. Yes, get a nice seal there. And roll it. And then wait a few seconds. And voila, we have our second roll. A little bit bent, but I'll just straighten that out a bit, and that sticky rice always hanging around. All right, we're ready to cut these. Okay, so make sure when you do set them down to rest while you make more of them, sometimes I make 10 of these at a time, that the seam side goes down, and then you might want to just take a little water and just seal it up nice. And then you can cut on an angle, like this. You can cut them straight across, like this. You can just take half of it, cut it like this, and make a nice stand. We're going to cut these other ones. Cut into little towers of different heights, just to add some dimension to your display.